here we are. It's day 2 at the Rainforest Gate.
Just woke up and having coffee.
Coffee.
Life is good with coffee.
Mm-hmm.
We bought our coffee from this little vendor way down the road. I mean, this place is in the middle of nowhere.
It was what,
$1.50.
$1.50
for 2 bags. So that'll do us for a while.
Something like 85 cents.
Yeah.
Right? Something like that. So.
That's wonderful.
Yeah. Thank you.
Everything is tea around here, and we're addicted to our coffee. We had dinner last night at Rainforest Inn. Was that the name of it?
Yeah, we got pictures.
Yeah. And met a fascinating couple from Vienna and had some really great
Good
conversations. It was nice, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It really
that was pretty cool.
That was pretty cool. Sharing experiences and
talking politics.
I wasn't going to say that, but
that's all we'll say here.
Yeah, so good conversation, good dinner. And this morning we wake up to the sound of peacocks and
monkeys and birds.
It's beautiful. And we're going to take a trek through the jungle today.
So it's about, what, 5:30?
Oh no, it's
almost 6 now?
It's after 6 now.
Okay. So we'll have breakfast probably in 30 minutes or so, and then we need to meet the ticket warden or whatever. Ranger. At 7:30, 8 o'clock.
Yep.
So,
Good times.
Good times.